Using heavy clothing can lead to dehydration and rapid water loss, which can reduce performance and recovery. You might find out that you cannot run at your normal speeds, or you need even longer recovery between sets. Workout duration can also be reduced to a great extent. There is also chances of feeling dizziness, nausea, heat exhaustion, and also can lead to heat stroke. Very heavy clothing can also lead to higher heart rate from the heat stress, and that's not a meaningful fitness adaptation. It may only make you feel tired much earlier. Putting on very heavy clothing can make you to perceive your workout to be very intense, but in the real sense, you're only getting tired. Try to avoid using heavy clothing and heavy gear during hot weather, when you're feeling ill, or even without proper hydration. And you must stop if you start feeling dizzy. If your goal is to burn calories and lose fat, try to train smarter. Don't just rely on sweating more as an indication that you're training harder. Use high intensity during your workouts, use progressive overload, and have a sound nutrition, and that should see you losing weight safely and effectively.